Hi TCA, I want to introduce you my red folders. Each of my students is given a read every day folder, and that will allow me to communicate with the parents at home and also allow the students to review what they've learned with me at home and review it with me in class, the concepts that we've already worked on. The folders will look like this. Inside they have, each student is given a learning goal that we work through at home and also with me. They have a sticker sheet over here. Each time they read a book at home, one of my books that I send home, they get a sticker. I also have in some of the folders a tech time, and this is where we can track how many times they're using Lexia, Reading Plus, or Compass. There are also folder tabs, and it shows what they've learned today, words they've read, words they've spelled, fluency, activities, comprehension, or writing. Some of the words they read might look like a worksheet like this. It'll have markings on it that the student used to get their eyes to analyze the word. Some of the things under the fluency section might be sentences that I'm timing them on, words that I'm timing them on. In the spelling section, they're going to have patterns of our English language in there, or really common rules where they double, drop, or change letters in their spelling. Some students, just because of resources, limited resources, I have them using a red folder that looks like this. It will contain a lot of the same stuff, or it might be a black folder, but it's still red folder because it's read every day, or maybe even a different color. But the main concept is the same. At conferences, I would love for you to ask the student for their red folder and look through it and see what they have been working on with me. Thanks.